Recently, ISH News shared an update about Ladakh protest, where 4 people died and many were injured. Youth were protesting against the government's inaction. They do not want Ladakh to remain a union territory. They want complete statehood. You can go back and watch the video in case you missed it. Sonam Wangchuk led the movement. In recent update, he was arrested on 26th of September. This arrest was not under local reasons or by local authorities. He was arrested under the National Security Act, citing suspicious links with Pakistan, supported by the Home Ministry. People might think he was arrested in Ladakh, in Leh, or Kargil. No, he was taken 1000 kilometers away to Jodhpur, Rajasthan, far from the protest. Shocking. The government did not want him near Ladakh. Local people cannot reach him there. Unbelievable. Sonam Wangchuk's NGO also faced issues, whose FCRA, which allows foreign funds, was revoked by the Home Ministry. The Indian government said the NGO violated laws. Now the NGO cannot receive foreign funds. The CBI is also involved. This has angered the people greatly. People in Leh and Kargil are furious. Sonam Wangchuk's arrest caused chaos. The Home Ministry criticized the youth for violent protest. The youth nearly burned a CRPF personnel. The government intervened in time. They heavily criticized the youth and were angry. The youth's anger during the protest is not baseless. It comes from the government ignoring repeated requests. Their patience ran out. Initially, the protests were peaceful, then hunger strikes began. 2 strikers were hospitalized. Even the government ignored. The youth had no other option but to act. The government is unable to understand the youth's anger. Police imposed curfew under Section 144 in Ladakh. Big gatherings are not allowed or will be arrested. However, people are rejecting these rules. The government may think locals are ready to discuss peacefully over a cup of tea. That is not true. They want full statehood. Then only they will discuss. They are not interested in buttered up discussions. Their main demand is complete statehood and the return of all arrested people. The situation is dangerous. The Indian government continues to criticize the youth and accuse them of copying Nepal protest. But the youth remain undeterred. The governor of Ladakh is managing law and order. On 6th October, a meeting is planned between the government and local Ladakhis. It will not be an easy task. Trust is broken. Will it be easy bringing them on the same page? We will have to wait for an update on 6th October.